today I'm gonna finish my group plays, and I have some Happy Mail at the end. I have $40, and I'm finishing because Sunday's already March 1st, so I'm gonna finish February's up today. And first up is Ellie on Earth. So $2 and $4 for 6. So 5 and 1. And with Ellie's, I saved 25, 26, 27, 28. And then, let's see. Next is my little doggy. And I just have one spot. So 2. $2. So 1, 2. And with mine, I saved 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And my new group play, if you haven't gotten it, it's in my Ko-fi shop. I'll try to remember to link it. It comes with a mini. But this is for March. Okay. And then, oh wait, there's another $1, so 15. Oh. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then next is from Angela Marie 888. $1. And $3 for $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And with hers, I saved 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. $24. And then next is from Overthinking and Budgeting. So 3 and 3. $6. 5 and 1. And with hers, I saved 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then next is Grammy's Journey. And I just have one of these 3. 2. So 1, 2. And with Gracie's, I saved 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. And then next is Happy Galentine's group play from Gaming Grandma Budgets. And I have a pink and a red. So red's 4 and pink's 2 for $6. So 5 and 1. And with Pam's, I saved 25, 30, 31. And then Let It Be Budgets. I have 2 spots left. So 3 and 3. $6. 5 and 1. And with Karen's, I saved 10, 15, 16. And that's all the group plays. But I'm doing this collab with Susan and Mindy's Budgeting. And they have it going all year round. And this is available in Mindy's Ko-fi. And let's see. I'm just going to put all this in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's see. So for this one, I'm just going to pull the money out every month. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So let's see. Let me count the money. And then let's see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So in total, I saved 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 110, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 150, 2, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 165. And And because I put $5 for each challenge, so that's 40 into my 1 month ahead. And then the rest of this I'm just going to put in my bucket with these challenges. I don't know where my 1 month ahead. I'm going to put it here for now. I'm going to open my Happy Mail. I won. I got this yesterday because I went to the post office in the snow. It was snowing here, like lightly, but it was really windy. My furnace went out like 3 different times because of the wind. So this was a giveaway. It won from Lily from EMT Dispatcher on a Budget. I opened it to make sure it was that. Let's see. Let's see what the... Enjoy your freebie gift from EMT Dispatcher on a Budget. From Lily. She got me a 15-sheet 3-hole puncher. Thank you, Lily. This is nice. Oh, what's all this? It's receipts. Oh, enjoy your gift. Thank you for entering my giveaway. I hope you enjoy it. Love you, EMT. From Lily. Okay. And this is what she had shown on her. I'll do that last. But that's what I entered to win. And these were bonuses. So a 15-sheet 3-hole puncher. And then oops. Only stuff's falling, of course. Let's see. Let me see if I can open it. Okay. They're dice, but they're unicorn dice. I don't know if you can see them. Ooh, one's going up my shirt. Oh, there it is. They have unicorns in them. I don't know if you can tell in the camera. Thank you, Lily. I love unicorns. They're cute. So there's the 6-sided, 8-sided, a 4-sided, and I think a 20-sided. These go from 10 to 90, I think. A 12-sided and another 8. Thank you. They're so cute. They got a little unicorn in it. And then this is what I really... Well, this is what I entered to win. And I think I'm gonna... Because I've seen this before, but I didn't get it. But there's these little... I think I'm going to use this on some more Tinies. Because I'm really enjoying doing the Tinies. So I think I'm going to... Because this comes with a 30-day challenge. But I think I'm going to put Tinies in it. Maybe. So that's what I'm going to do with this lily. And I'm going to probably start it next week after I get paid. Because I'm at the end of my pay. So I'll budget, and I'm going to put 30 tinies in here. Thank you, Lily, and thank you everybody for watching. And I hope you enjoyed the video. And I'll see you tomorrow for Monday Minis. Bye.